Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, thanks again for stopping by today here at Makaz Home. I'm just going to put together a simple Christmas card that I made using the Stamps of Life Jingle Jangle paper collection. I got some of this in a stamp kit stamp club kit that I belong to. I'm just taking a strip of one of the papers and adding it down the middle of the base paper. I'm going to stamp some of these sentiments on this. This stamp set did come in the kit, so I'm just making sure that it evens up. I did use Memento ink to stamp my image. I like the bright color. It's not bright, but it's a bold black color. I like that. I'm just corner punching the edges of that, and I'm going to adhere it there. What do you guys do? I end up with all of these tape runner, and you'll see further on here in the video. I did have a die cut of that deer that I got at Michael's. I'm just adding some of my Tombow adhesive glue to the edges of the antlers, and I'm going to stick it in that glitter jar from Recollections. I don't know what the name of that is. The print is too small and I don't have my glasses. But I just move the sequence around to where I want it to adhere, and I leave it to dry. And I'm going to pop it up there. So there it is, dried. I'm going to pop it up there on some foam tape and adhere it to that, and that's pretty much it. I did cut that deer out of paper from the stamp pad as well. The previous video showed numerous Christmas cards that I made out of this paper and stamp set using the Jingle Jangle collection from the Stamps of Life. So I'm just adhering my card to the base that I can then add to an A2 size card. I make my bases. I don't add them to the card until I'm ready to send it off, or at least that's what I've been doing as of late. But that's my share. Shakas, thanks for stopping by here at Makaz Home, and I hope that you liked the video. This was my first process video, and if you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video.